very vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. You know, winter is coming up. At least it is at the time of the filming of this video. And I don't know about you, but there's nothing I like better in the middle of winter than a slow cooked pot roast. I'm going to show you how to do a vegan Portobella mushroom pot roast. It's going to satisfy that comfort food craving just as well as a piece of meat's going to do. Let's get started. Okay, we are going to make this in our Instapot. You can also use a slow cooker if that's what you have. So I am going to use my Instant Pot. This is basically going to throw everything in it. It goes on high for 20 minutes and then just let the pressure release naturally and then you're good to go. If you're using a slow cooker, you just want to cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours so you can set it in the morning and then come home and have dinner be ready, which is really great if you're busy. I'm going to start with a 1 1/4 cup of Yukon Gold potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 pound of portobello mushrooms, 2 carrots cut up into bite-sized pieces, 4 cloves of garlic, some thyme. This is about 3 pinches, 2 1/2 cups of vegetable broth, a 1/2 cup of white cooking wine, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and 2 tablespoons of vegan Worcestershire sauce. You can get the vegan vegetarian variety on Amazon. You can get it at Sprouts, Trader Joe's. I know it's hard to find in my town, but I was out and about in another area and found some at Sprouts. So you just have to make sure that it says vegan or vegetarian on it. So everything is in the Instapot. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. I'm going to put it on high pressure for about 20 minutes. And that's it. Easy peasy. All right, our Portobella pot roast has been cooking for about 25 minutes. I released the pressure. Now we're going to add the finishing touches. This is a 1/2 cup of vegetable broth and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to pour the cornstarch into the vegetable broth and that's going to thicken that up. This is going to create like a slurry kind of pasty type thing. You always want to mix your cornstarch with your liquid before you put it into whatever you're cooking, just because it blends that much easier. I'm just going to pour this into my Instant Pot. And then I'm going to stir that because the gravy is going to thicken. That cornstarch is a thickener. I'm going to just take a moment or two to start thickening up that gravy. You can serve this pot roast by itself. You can serve it over quinoa, over rice. The gravy is starting to thicken. I'm going to let this sit for just a minute and let it just sit in its juices and get all nice and thick and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ. Vegan Worcestershire, I can't say the word, of portobello mushrooms, Worcestershire